Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to update Messenger application on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. The first thing you need to do is go to the Apple Store on your iPhone or iPad, type in the word Messenger, and open this app. Next it will say Open or Update. You click Update. This means that now your Messenger application will be updated to the latest version that is available. And if it says Open, it means that your manager has already been updated to the latest version. And there is no new version yet. By the way, there is another way to solve this. Go to the Settings in the Settings. Then go to the General tab, iPhone Storage, and here you'll find Messenger. Click Unload the application, thus clearing the cache. But documents and data will remain, and chats too. We will unload it. Re-download it, and it means that we will update to the latest version. That's the second easy way to do it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.